Are you still designing product posters in Photoshop or Canva? When I can now do this in under 30 seconds. And no, this isn't a template. It's fully AI generated. If you're a designer, marketer, or someone who creates product creatives, this is the workflow upgrade you needed. I use a simple two-prompt system inside Chatgpt latest image model. One for a high-end product poster, and one for a feature-based marketing visual. First, I upload the product, in this case, headphones. Now here's where it changes everything. This is not a generic prompt. It's a structured design prompt built for commercial level output, lighting, composition, shadows, branding style, everything. I copied the prompt. I always set it to 1:1 because this is optimized for Instagram and Facebook ads. And paste that into the Chatgpt. Then I clicked enter. Now look at this. This is not Canva. This is not Photoshop. This is AI acting like a senior level creative designer. Now the second part, this is where marketers will love it. This prompt transforms the same product into a feature-driven marketing visual. It highlights benefits like sound quality, bass, comfort, and premium design. This is basically a ready-to-use ad creative. No layout work. No typography struggle. No design iteration cycle. If you're still spending hours in Photoshop or adjusting Canva templates, this workflow cuts your entire process into minutes. And the quality? Honestly, it competes with agency-level creatives. I've written both of these prompts in full detail on my website. Link is in the comments. If you're a designer or marketer, this is one of those workflows you'll wish you started earlier. AI isn't replacing designers. It's replacing slow designers. Thanks for watching.